Get connected around good deeds with GoodStamp. GoodStamp brings people together by letting them post good deeds they've seen, been a part of, or simply want to share, all on a fun and interactive map. Now, let's start using GoodStamp. Create a pin, and Iris will guide you through posting your deed to the map. New pins will appear at your location, notifying other GoodStamp users nearby. Or, you can choose a custom location with a long press on the map. Each colored pin has a different meaning. If you're looking to post a group deed, use a green pin. Bring people in your community together with groups. Start creating groups here. You can browse your crowd, import friends from other social networks, or search the GoodStamp user base. Need volunteers for your group's next event? Post a red Needed pin. Want to thank someone for buying you lunch? Use the blue Good Deed pin for that. The Wish It pin is pink. It's for something that you might not need but would really love to have. The last kind of pin, a flash pin, is for events. It's the same color as the other pins, but a highlight alerts your community that it's time sensitive. Tap any pin to see its details. Stamping is the best way to connect with the GoodStamp community. This feature is a way to show other users that you found their deed inspiring, or to thank them for a deed that has affected you. It's similar to liking something on other social networks, only stamping creates a link between you and the deed you stamped. When you stamp a deed, then post one of your own, the two deeds will be connected, forming a path. Paths show other users who your deed has affected and where it's had an impact. Good things happen every day. Share them with GoodStamp.